Welcome back to the Den of Tools. Howdy ho, guys and gals, it's Red, your friendly neighborhood tool bear, back again here in the Den of Tools. And I guess I should say the Den of Toys today, because Eric and his little elf Mike there, they went above and beyond, and they sent over a box of toys for the Cubs. And I gotta say, this is pretty amazing. We got some video here of them diving into it, so let's take a look at that.
Merry Christmas!
All right, go ahead and open it.
Whoa.
Careful the tree behind you.
I don't want to knock that over. This is so cool. Yeah. Thank you for the price.
Whoa. A dash cam.
I think that's for me.
That's classic.
This is for me now. Like,
Cool. Whoa, there's actually like, what did you get? That's cool.
All right, whatever you pick one and bring it over here and tell me what you got.
fine. I'm going to choose the dash cam right now. But I'm
So, I have a drone with, it has
Propeller guards?
propeller guards, and a remote control.
That's cool.
Yeah.
You know what?
I have another one of these.
I wanted the best one.
So I
guys.
got a quadcopter like Griffin.
I got a quad Griffin. It's the same one.
I got the
And then-
Thunderbolt Edge. Yeah.
And then I also got a dash cam.
That's mine. Give it.
I have a dash cam.
Give it.
What? My dash cam.
They give us multiple dash cams.
Is there three?
I guess maybe one for the wife too.
Is there three dash?
What's that, Griffin? Come on, start bringing stuff out.
Come on in. Come on in. They sent us so many. Yes. Thank you so much.
Form.
Oh my gosh.
It's an ant form
I
thing.
love these things. But there's so many.
There's so many.
Here, give it to me, Griff. So these are the things where you build your own creature kind of
This is
thing.
so cool. It's like a little tiny work toolkit. It's so cool.
Oh, bring it here, huh?
I have all my
There's
stuff
a
on my
like flower thing.
Hey, Bella.
Hold on.
That's cool.
It's one of those helicopters you shoot up in the air and it comes spinning down.
I have this, which is amazing because I love working out. I mean, like it won't be the same as an actual drill, but it'll still be pretty fun. Cause like
Kid's toolbox.
Oh yeah. There's another one right
What'd you
here.
get? Oh, that's cool. Let's get decals. It's kind of like a Pinewood Derby car, but not really.
Yeah.
look at how cool this is.
Oh, look at that.
They have a little thing, cars. I'm probably gonna use this.
I'm gonna use this.
It's all day.
Okay, I am very happy right now. They sent us dinosaurs, and I love dinosaurs, so thank you very much.
Yeah, and then we have this
Another of the car kits.
car kit.
What is this?
Um,
Oh, it's built from car.
Yep.
wait, how many these do we have?
Wow, this is a bunch of the car kits.
Yo, more batteries. Batteries.
The Thunderbolt batteries. We'll have to give them a try, see how they last in the quadcopters.
Oh my gosh,
Oh,
yes.
guys, what's that? What's that?
Oh my,
that?
I need batteries. These are
What is that? It's a
It's
on
early
the air.
Christmas.
Look and look.
Early Christmas.
Show the camera.
It's a airplane that you can build. It's
a
a
biplane.
legend of the air.
Like you'd see in World War One, huh?
Yeah. Easy to assemble. Miniature wooden aircraft. I'll be using that to assemble.
Uh-huh.
I took all the dinosaurs. Wait, can I have the mammoth? Can I have the mammoth?
And then
Can
we
I
have this thing right here.
More batteries. And last but not least, a giant box. Remember, if it sits, or if it fits, it sits. All right, what do you guys all have to say?
Thank you,
Margaret. And we have her.
Thank you.
Yeah, they're having a blast with that. Don't worry, I'll follow up here in a few days, let you know how those new Thunderbolt batteries held up, and as well as how the other toys did. But I gotta say, these are some real cool stocking stuff or traditional kind of toys. If you're looking for some last minute stuff, if Santa needs some help there, you know what the bear's saying. That these are some great, the wood toys. I love wood toys. I loved them as a cub. I know a lot of kids are all about like, oh, the electronics, this and that. luckily, my Cubs, they see potential. They see stuff they can work on and they can modify and they can put their own love and excitement into. And I think they're going to have a blast with these. Heck, they're doing it right now. I better go back in there and make sure that I'm making too big a mess. Anyway, here's some of the stuff that we were taking a look at there. I just want to show you real quick. All right, first up here, we got listed as a top gift. I thought it was pretty cool. The Cubs really like it. It's the wooden car carrier. Classic wooden car carrier, delivers fun for kids ages 3 and up. It's $12.99. There's a coupon out there right now for it for $9. You want to check over Harbor Freight coupon database for that coupon if you can't find it. It's probably on Harbor Freight's website, honestly, being as it's seasonal and whatnot. This is a nifty little set. They had stuff kind of like this when I was a Cub, but I don't think it was quite this cool. This is pretty nifty. I really like this. I may have to go play with it. Next up, we've got the wooden toolkit. This is a great take on the classic, peg and hole kind of thing. And if you've got a Cub who wants to follow in Mama or Papa's, handy DIY footsteps, this is a great way to do it. We've got nuts and bolts, wrenches, hammers, all sorts of fun stuff. Improves motor skills and encourages imaginative play. Yeah, I'm going to be playing with that. $9.99. There's a coupon for $1 off. The Aerocopter toys 2-pack. These things are a blast. We first saw these when we took the Cubs to Disneyland. What was it? 4 or 5 years ago? Wow, we got to make a trip back there. They had the lighted version. These are not lighted, but they're still lots of fun. It's amazing how high these things will go. You could just sit there. Kids will sit there forever. It says it goes 300 feet in the air. There you go. This is the one. This is going to be the big issue around the house because it comes as a basic car. The kit looks like this. So you've got the car, you've got the wheels, you've got the axles, you've got paint and decals. Oh, are we going to have some fun with this? Now, we've got, we're in Scouts. I'm a Cub Scout master, and I've got 2 kids in Scouts, and we got Pinewood Derby coming up. Now, this is not a Pinewood Derby car. It's Derby-esque, but we are definitely going to be doing some time trials with some of these around the house. $6.99. Coupon out there takes it down to $5. And now it's time to break out your little stuffed Snoopy to go with your balsa wood puzzle airplane. Oh, I love the old biplanes. I've been a fan of biplanes just since I was a little boy. There's just something about them, the open air cockpits, all of that. And something kids just love these things too. $2, no coupon needed. That's a great stocking stuffer. What else? We got the balsa wood puzzle T-Rex. I can remember being 5 years old and getting one of these from the Smithsonian in Washington, D.C., thinking this was the coolest thing I'd ever seen. What kids don't love dinosaurs? My kids love them. And by the way, speaking, if you love dinosaurs and you're in Montana, you're passing through, you got to stop in Bozeman at the Museum of the Rockies. They've got one, if not the largest complete T-Rex, assembled T-Rex skeleton in the world. You got to check it out. It is amazing. And, of course, the quadcopters. I was just informed that the Cubs are buzzing these around trying to run into each other. And this is a great little setup. You got the little remote control. I love that they don't make you have to use your cell phone. They give you an actual remote control. It charges the quadcopter from the batteries that go in the remote control. Comes with 4 extra props and prop guards, which is nice on these little ones. These things are great. $20. We got another ant here of the little skeletal kind of things. If you're into the insects like my little cubette is, she loves those things. And last but not least, we got the balsa wood Apatosaurus, or those of us who are old enough to remember they used to call these brontosauruses before they realized that they were fake. But this isn't fake. $2. Come on. They got some great toys here. That said, Harbor Freight does have a lot of new toys these days. We got remote control stunt cars, amphibious car. Wow, that's pretty cool. We got a rock collar truck for $20. A Daisy Outdoor Products F-16 slingshot. You know what? I might have to get one for the Cubs. The girl has one because she was the only one I could trust. Maybe the boys are to the point here. We got a toy power tool set, 56 piece for $20. The rechargeable radio control speedboat for $60. The 3.5 channel remote control helicopter for $59.99. I love those things. Anyway, they got a lot of stuff there. You know, this is something that not really a toy, but this dual drum rotary rock tumbler for $57.99. I actually have one of those, and we did some rock tumbling at our place back in California. That's a great one if you want something, you know, learning-esque for the Cubs. And they have a single drum one here. Actually, I think that may be the one we have, the single drum. And anyway, that's a great pickup there. Anyway, that's all the bear has for you today. I hope you enjoyed these stocking stuffers. Let me know what you think down below. Anyway, also, if there's any other deals you're looking for pre-Christmas, let us know. Yeah, or if you found some deals you think that everyone needs to know about. We're in rush time. Crunch mode, if you will. We only got hours left until the big day when the big man in red shows up. So you all take care. Have a blessed and Merry Christmas. Happy Hanukkah for all our other friends out there. And whatever it is you feel like celebrating this season. Happy holidays. God bless. And as always, shine on.